Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the EBL SW3K LCD display battery charger for NIMH, NICD and 3.7 lithium rechargeable batteries. As you can see, it works with AA, AAA and other type of batteries. It has overcharger, over current, over voltage, overheat and short circuit. So let's see what we have inside. Looks really nice. You have some instructions in here, which is good if you follow. And what we like about this, it's that it's charging via the USB. Oh no, it's micro USB to USB-A. That's a disappointment because I don't think anyone should sell anything these days with micro USB. Let's just move to USB-C, please. It's possible. So yeah, that's how it looks like. As you can see, that's the information displayed on the back. And let's use the micro USB cable, which goes only into one position. And let's see if we can charge some batteries. Let's see how it goes. Just checking if I have any in here, and I might have one. Okay, so I have a battery from EBL, and this is the 18650, and I think I should be okay to charge 18650 in here. And this is a BRC 3000 milliampere. Yeah, so let's just put it in. So just make sure you put plus to plus, minus to minus. So plus is up, minus is down. So it goes like this. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not sure if I can charge it using this USB port, but let's try. And as you can see, it's charging. So you can have another one charging while that one is charging. And I think you can even have a 2A one. Let's see. Yeah, I like the EBL batteries, so I have a full set in here. So let's see if it's charging two different batteries at the same time. And yes, it does, which is lovely to see. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.